Figure shows the variation of energy with the orbital radius r of a satellite in a circular motion. Mark the correct statement. So over here it is given that one graph is something like this, and it is showing the it is given that it is a positive energy. So we know that the value equation for total energy, kinetic energy, and potential energy of a satellite. So if I am writing the equation for total energy, so that is going to be minus of gmm divided by 2r0. And if you are writing the equation for kinetic energy, then it is going to be plus gmm divided by 2r0. And if you are writing the equation for potential energy, that is minus of gmm divided by we can take it as r0. So the negative value for potential energy is more as compared to the negative value of total energy. So over here B is having a more negative values as compared to that of C. So definitely this B will be the graph for potential energy, and C is the graph for total energy, which is also negative, and A is kinetic energy, which is always positive. So this should be the graph for kinetic energy. So according to the first option, it is given that C is total energy and B is kinetic energy, which is wrong. A is kinetic energy, which is correct. B is total energy, which is wrong. Next option, it is given that A is kinetic energy. So A is kinetic energy, that is correct. B is potential energy, that is correct. And C is total energy, that is correct. So we can say that C option is correct. And D option, it is given that C is kinetic energy, which is wrong. So we can say that C option is correct over here.